Have you ever lost a chess game in 4 moves? If yes, it's probably because of the scholar's mate. Let me show you how to crush the scholar's mate and trap your opponent while you're at it. So let's get started. Let's look at the basic defense of the scholar's mate. It starts with e4, e5, then queen to h7 attacking the f7 pawn. Then you develop your knight to a c6. The bishop is developed to c4. Then you push out the queen. The queen goes back to f3. And then you develop your knight to f6. This is the simple setup of a defense against the scholar's mate. Okay, so instead of knight to f6, there's a crazy move that you can play, which is pawn to f5. It looks crazy because it's opening up your king. Now pawn takes pawn is a blunder because the knight will hop to d4 attacking the queen. When the queen comes to d5, you will play your queen to d7, completely stopping the attack. Now white will try to capture your pawn, but it is beneficial for you because it's opening up your rook. Now the white can try to develop its knight, but you will simply play knight to f6 now. Because the queen does not have any squares to go, it will go back to a5. You will attack it with b6. The queen will hop again to c3. Then you will bring your bishop to b7. Now, as you can see, everything is looking at the king's castling side. Now, if king decide to castle the king's side, you will just take the knight, giving a check. Now, king has to capture back. And now this h7 is completely winning, because no matter what white plays, it's a checkmate in the next move. Okay, so let's look at another variation where white queen decides to go directly to d3. Then we can just simply push the pawn, attacking the bishop and also attacking the pawn. When the bishop goes back, we will capture the pawn on f5 attacking the queen. The queen will move to c3. Now we will develop our knight, trying to bring another attacker to the queen. The queen will get bored and will push the pawn to d3. It's a big blunder because now we will push the a5 pawn, and in some variation white will push the pawn to a4, and it's a blunder and the queen is pinned. And if not, then after a5 the rook can come out and also attack the queen and also attack the pawn on c2. So have you ever fallen for this mate or caught someone with it? If yes, drop it in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Dhyan's Academy.